Hello everyone. This is Anna with Pink Monarch Prints, and I'm excited to be here with you and share our super simple something blue 3-ring series. And just to remind you, this is the rings that we're going to be putting all of these on when we get them all made. This is the third one in the series we're going to be making, and I just wanted to review where we're at right now. So we have our cover. We have our cute little circle tag from page 1. Page 2, we have this beautiful slanted pockets with some other little goodies in there. And page 3, we have this really fun pull out with a little belly band, and these flap open for more journaling if you want. So that's where we are right now. Oh, I did that. No, I did that right. Okay. So that's where we're at with those, and now we're going to work on pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's get going. Keep in mind that about this much space on each of these ends is going to be used to punch our 3-ring holes. So you'll notice that I work around that as I'm crafting, and I decide where things are going kind of based on the knowledge that we're going to be having 3 holes on each side of there for our book. So let's go ahead and get started. This first one is these 3 mini pockets. They're really cute. They have these cute little label toppers, numbered 1, 2, and 3. So again, we're going to be scooching those over to this side just a little bit. So let's go ahead and put those on. Everything here I have printed on a lightweight cardstock, cut it out and inked it. I use 110 cardstock, and I just keep it nice and easy. So in this kit we have these cute little cards, and they have the numbers too, but I turned them sideways because I don't want to see the numbers. And we have a bunch of little tags, and you could put little holes or eyelets if you wanted. I don't feel like it needs it because it's so little. We have our little cute number 2 bird. That'll have a CR2, and I don't want to. So there we go. And our little number 1 guy going in that first pocket. Now the kit also has a ton of just little bits, cute little extras. Here's some of them. Here's some of them. So we can kind of just pick, but I thought it'd be fun to have little, just kind of like a little collage or something on each of these. So I'm just gonna kind of glue a few things down that I like. You could add lace if you wanted. You could add any extra metal bits or danglies or whatever. It's really just personal preference. I think I like that. Let's go ahead and put this one down first. So I'm kind of just alternating sides just so one side doesn't look a lot heavier than the other side. Also keep in mind, you can put things over in this area. Just know that it might end up with a hole punched through it. And if you're okay with that, then that's totally fine. All right, so that is the first part of that page, just 3 cute little pockets. And the second part of this page, let me see if I can get better lighting on for you guys. Maybe that's a little better. It's kind of bright, but that's okay. Hopefully it helps you see a little better. Oh yes, and I forgot. So when we put this page together, we're actually gonna leave this top open. And we have this huge, awesome tag that's gonna go in that. So let's go ahead and craft that. I wanted this to be up top just because I thought it looked fun as like a little pull for up here at the top of our tag. And then I just have some extra little things. This tag has a beautiful picture on it, but I also have these cute birds and I wanted to use a bird. So I'm covering up my cute hydrangea with a kind of a ginormous bird stamp, which is just for fun. Let's see. I wonder if I was planning on using that. I had it with it, but let's see. We can do another little number. So this would be a fun place to journal here if you wanted. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try that again. Here we go. All right, so that's going to be going into that particular slot. I'm going to go ahead and ink this because that will be visible from the back. And depending on what we want to do, we could maybe add something else there to kind of offset it on the back of that. You could also print a neutral on the back. I forgot again. So keep that in mind. You can always print neutrals on the back. Let's set that aside and we'll craft this page before we put everything together. All right, this is a fun one. It's just one huge pocket and it has that faux metal label holder up top. Now, I did want to put tiny little brads. Here they are. But that's just for three-dimensional sake. So I found my brads. And I'm gonna put them in there, right in the middle of that hole. So, because that's gonna make it hard to get stuff in and out of that pocket, I'm gonna actually put tape over it. So there's our pocket. I love it. And just keep in mind that I will have a hole coming through right here, but I wanted that pocket to cover the whole span of the page. So I figured it would be worth it. And I think I'm gonna add extra glue over here just because I know I'm not gonna be able to use that area and I don't want to accidentally punch a hole through an item in that pocket when I'm making my holes. All right, let's go ahead and let that set for a minute. And we're gonna decorate this. I have a really cute fussy cut that I wanted to put there. Just do a little collage on the front of this. I have lots of different items and you can play around and adjust or add your own items. Extra fuzzies or lace or whatever you have. I just try to stick to what's in the kit so that you have everything that you're seeing for the most part. So that's why I do it that way. Maybe I want that on here. Let's see. Or I could put it on our little bird tag. I kind of love that. I think I'm gonna do that. That means I have to hurry and glue this on our bird tag. So the wonderful thing about art glitter glue is it dries so fast, but it also is a hard thing about art glitter glue because you really have to have everything in place quickly. All right, let's see. I think I want a gold eyelet on this one. I'll probably put one on the other one too, just so they match. All right, there's our cute little bird tag. Now let's assemble this one. I have one more of those cute little bird stamps, and so I'm just gonna make it as a teeny tiny little extra pull out on this. So I'm putting this down, and normally I would probably do it as a with my glue stick, but I'm going to kind of leave extra space here so I can put my cute little stamp in there. So that'll be a little pocket right there. Let's put that about here. I love these papers, these blue background papers. And I'm gonna go ahead and put like a little received stamp because I think it's cute. It'll be right there. And if I had printed neutral on the back, I would have a few extra pieces to add some extra collage or something, and maybe I'll glue something down. I don't know. I need to start remembering to print. So then here you have this tiny little spot right here that you can put that little extra tag, just an extra little fun thing. If you wanted, you could, come on little guy. I can't get it up. There we go. You could add like a little extra, let's see, I think this one would match better. An extra little pull out right there if you wanted. But I think I just like it as it is. So I'm gonna leave it just like that. And then people can get it out and find some extra hidden fun spots. Okay, I want to put a hole in the top of this. Do I want a number? I think I do. It's nice because it also reinforces your eyelet, so I kind of like adding extra strength up there for reinforcement. There we go. All right, so now we have this really beautiful statement tag here and our cute little bird right here. Keep in mind, we'll be putting our 3-hole punches in, so they'll be pushed a little bit this direction. Now let's go ahead and turn this one into our pocket. I'm gonna be putting a decent amount of glue, especially on this side that's gonna have the 3-hole punch, because I just wanna reinforce that page really well. So I'll go ahead and come over about 1/2 inch or so, give it a little extra. And close that off. Now this is meant to be the front facing with these triple pockets, but you can change that if you want, but it just adds a little extra fun and kind of coordinates along with all these little bits that are kind of in this beautiful row down that cute little page. So there's another page and our cute pocket with our cute little bird and our huge tag with a little extra hidden bit. So anyway, coming right along, I'll post everything below, including the past couple of kits that we've done as well. I'll just try to keep a running list of those in all of them so that you can see what we have and see the other ones that you may have missed. And anyway, super fun. I'm really excited to put this one together and keep going on it. So thank you for watching, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye.